What's the meaning of Celtic cross? Celtic cross. Celtic cross.
Celtic cross. Celtic cross. The Celtic cross is a symbol that merges the traditional Christian cross with a ring surrounding the intersection, symbolizing the sun or the universe. It has a rich history dating back to the early Middle Ages in Ireland and has become a popular emblem of Celtic culture. The symbolism varies, but the ring is believed to represent eternity and eternal love, while the Christian cross represents salvation. Today, it is commonly used as a decorative design element in jewelry, tattoos, and other artwork.